Kwega mutegeri kwethwa wina twe aja ndene ya Wero TV na mutegeri antu bainge baigwa njera bonaga antu baya beku ta baterie gukarania na batwe ende ntukwena rua twena Kaberia Itare uria aumbete kwethwa enchera kuma mwaka jwa 1999 ibwega muno ikweja.
Asante sana.
Na bwana Kaberia no umbe gutwira kiria giatumite ugwatwa?
Uni mwaka ni 1999 kuri antu bambikirire kesi ya robbery bagwimba yite lakini kwa hali yao manta ya gintu ka muntu na ntethira ndi mwa live atini one time
na imbi kiongo weretwe ukumba kuia
bawire nkuia nkuna a small shop kiosk ndayo kia thigara ibiriti Dayu bakuen kupwizi uone I was a high school teacher. Dari mwalimu, dari na biashara, na dari na thina yonde.
Na ukomba gweta kotini. Ike bungo ke kombe kunengero nonto bwa.
Nde weta kotini ndetire ndira ukumi wa gikuo. Yes, nonto yetire robbery with violence. Robbery with violence, murder, treason, mtu ukumia ukua. Konda ukumia ukua. Na ndaikwa nchere kamiti ndakara nao with the death sentence mwaka ya 2009. 2009 I appealed to the president, the former head of state Mwai Kibaki, and the application for mercy. Then I was the death sentence was commuted, a chinchwa life sentence. So then they also have life sentence. Kuma 99 mwaka 2016. 2016 I again appealed to the head of state Uhuru Kenyatta through recommendations by the prison officers, recommendations from home, recommendations from hata wazee wa Njuri Ncheke and other stakeholders. Bandika report njaga nonto ibaichio nite mwalifu then I was released.
Na uko wenchera ukimenyaga gutegwa athiretie na te oigagwa nkorone
of course wenchera na tibu athiretie nuya kuusunikite but then you have nothing to do. You give yourself strength. Unajua ndatigira twana toka tu nini sana tu lower primary tuande na mwakorokano was just a young wife yari mwari tu so eune mbikaira wasiwasi ngona yakana batithoma na ngona yakamwe kuromba kuranja getakagura but nothing of that happened. Yani bathomere bwega na bako bathomete bwega sana
na ibeja ukuraitha inya wenchera
kabisa. I've been giving them strength, they have also been strengthening me. Twaya na inya mwaka bendelea bathire university ura munini no for the year mwaka yo babange ibathiretie
na itokorika na mudia wori na retete reforms fulani njera ogwa wenchera imbi ombete kugwata kiria ugete oni nkathithagia bo.
Yes, nde with nchera I took my time ndona nende I must progress although ndari kwa death sentence no twiri kinyonga of course you are waiting to be hanged lakini there is no single time ndathwani ndaomba kurawa ndethera nkimenya ni ndera kinyana nkeyanja anytime na ndethera nyankujete tinto to kwa every morning nkiwa any minute ngetwa mbithire mpanite kinyande on death sentence. So I've been hopeful and of course hoping to go home. Ta hope na kuma ria ndetire kwenda ambiririe kuritana nda mwalimu kwina shukuru nao secondary school kwina primary school na kwina kinya college. I went nda volunteer as a teacher, high school teacher na ndaritana muno meake uyonde mwaka 2016 tukwira ndarukirirwe kinya tukwira ndarukairwe I was doing ndete kuthithia revision na ritho form 4 lakini batiwa bakirira ikugwirwa no ntunkurekwa. Yes, aritoba baingi bako ibetre university pamwe baiku bangi bathiririe some even doctors na ni wananchera ni prisoners and I'm very proud of that. the service in offer are voluntary. Take a good how anything. But I offered them all those years with a very good heart.
Na imbi kiombe wa transform mwanka ule watonyete wenchera ukaliwa ona inyo kiuma wekele mbuka ona ya change.
Yeah, you see, muntu ari nao me ukethrote tanchera. There are many things you do with the kiona ya mantu ya kawaida. Na kiwe tanchera, those 4 walls which enclose you. Wewe nka nuthuana ke mantu ya maingi muno. Ya uni ndanyu yancho bi muno ndi mbere lakini ndarekere kunywa. Ndanyu ya kinya thigara ndarekere na tonti kuonoka ati andetere nda muntu ndini hapana. Ni uni ngwanda chirire this is not good. I can do better than this. Na apart from kuritana ndinchera ni ndathomere have studied a lot. There are so many certificates, so many diplomas. Nyinge ile yao kinyoka ndo chiona, you can see them. Na ndathoma nda qualify, I've been graduating year after year antubanja bakeya. Na ndadmitwa kinya Mount Kenya University. Now I'm supposed to be a student of Mount Kenya University. Ntirambiriria lakini nditete kwambiria ndi na admission letter. Yes.
Na owe mwanka narua ugaga sentence ile wanenkewe no kuona itaya abateria
sentence ile nanenkewe ta abateria because nate oninka kinya bungwa babange sentence ya death the sentence mzuri for any human being. Actually, to tell somebody you have been convicted to death tibuboega, because you are telling that person he should not have any hope of ever going home. Some of the things you hear are done in prison. Manto ya mainge ya moya madhoku ya ko prison ni anto baraba bera wa okukondemwa to death kana okubungwa life. And there are ai muntu atina kiongo moderate ukona muntu akithithia manto onto awitejera akambia kuthithia manto yatebugi nonto atena hope. Is not hoping even to go out. So kibungo kira kia death tikikiaga kabisa. I would even urge the government to remove it. Kinya life, it's not it is excessive sentence. Kubungo munta life, you are not giving that person a chance to improve, because in this life wote muntu atekosa anyway. Kinya ba upongo ba ukubunga kibungo kinya bo barakosa na ke akwe wa life nyawa atiwerwa. So it is always good to be human. Kinya baba kubwidha sheria pakabwidha sheria na chio iwo favor everybody itekumisa human being.
Na wenchera ukomba utoya no ari mwalimu imbiki athithirie ugakawete ambaye na kuthomithinya na undene oni kinya ngita na unda ari mwalimu. Initially I served in the Kenya Air Force when I was a young man, and I retired in 1990. Then after that I joined teaching, and I learned teaching up to 99. So when I went to prison, I should help the prisoners, because there are no teachers fronted by the prison service. Teachers need volunteers. So I volunteered as a teacher to help, and I've helped many. And I'm very happy about it. Yes, because that is reforming another person. You touch other people. Yeah, because what I've realized, on Tubrambonete Nchera, Muntura eta Kuranchera akambia kinya kuthoma, aka join the education system. Maisha yawe yachinja immediately. Na attitude yawe to one society ichinja kiaoreo. Lakini Muntura ati weta inya engage na education aeta akachoka akarukiru kinya akambia kuthithia mantu yararingi. Nikuona? Na ugotwera no etete Mount Kenya University. Yes. No twere imbio etete kuthoma? Yeah, I'm going to do counseling psychology, a degree in counseling psychology. Yes. Na inkwana rena kwena maukuja aja o? Yes. Maukuja waandikire wauma kana kawaandikire wenche? Maukuya na tia ake kwena yange bandikite maukuya 5 yonde bandikite ndinchera. Ikuri kwirengirite ari tawan The Joy of Solitude runda andikire kuma 21 mwaka 23.
rinda ambiririe kwandika 2004 gathira 2007
na rei ukuri mwe
a letter to my wife
yandikwi a letter to my wife
yes
na mutegeri DJ no ngautwire ka waigetwo misete mwekro wakwa ugo mwandikire.
That was part of the reason lakini teonka my wife ni mwendete muno na ndi wita Nchera na tigire twana tokwa twari tunini na tuthomethia tuothe mwanga twawata degree all of them you see na hata umanja kuma ndamutigire I had no other way of thanking her ndi Nchera on to taking ndare yake so I decided to write a letter in honor of what she has been doing.
Na pera kenge kingomenya mbero baba inge no vende kugura yukutare take Mira to her father and the girl is yours. Wikerie ithemira na mwari noku
otiketie Mira kire Ameru the girl even nyokarita ndawari it will not be recognized until you take gitondo kya Mira
inkona yukuire ithatu inkona riretwa in love with his enemy's daughter.
Yeah. Ikurunde andikite out of my own experience. Ramba mbiririe nkwirire oni andekirwe mantu ya wikirwa na ndeta Nchera. So ikuru refisha kinya muntu ay muntu oku otebwiri ko revenge by harming him. You can do another thing which will be more vengeful than kueto muringa kana muthiri ntobuboe. So this book I wrote about a young man who was aumisi muntu fulani sana na mwanka amekishwa aweta Nchera. That boy the only revenge he can do is to no mkuruna na mwari na nkanya sana Kamboy ka uanende what I will do. I will do everything I will in this world to marry that daughter, and that is what he exactly did, and it was enough revenge to him. Yes.
Na bwana Kaberia imbiki yako inspire kuandika mauku jaja Nchera?
Mostly the inspire when I love literature first. Because even in school I did literature up to Form 6 when during the old days. Now, I've been inspired by African writers like people like Chinua Achebe, Ngugi wa Thiong'o. I like their books. And also during the time I was a young boy, there was a brother of mine, he's now late. He used to tell us his stories when we were sitting on the fire. Stories. So I loved stories even right from the beginning. So when I went to prison and there was enough time, then I decided to write. On the other hand, when I was a boy, I wanted to be a teacher, a pilot, or a writer when I was a small boy. So I became, when I went to the Air Force, they did not give me the piloting job. I did other jobs, so that one I missed and I moved. Then I became a teacher, even in prison I taught. Then I decided to also be a writer.
Na bwana Kaberia ni ate ombere kwaraniria na polisi bau banja mwanka ugatwika mwalimu ukandika mauku na ate nyaba bagire.
The prison authorities they love me so much. In fact, I know they might come on Saturday there. If you have a chance, come there, you hear what they say.
No gotwira au kabera kira kigweta mbere Saturday. Au kabera no gotwira Saturday kira uko thithia.
I'm launching this book.
Take Mira to her father
and then Ngao is yours. And I'm launching it at home. Na ingwitikia muneno Nchera omba kuya na some representatives. Non to particularly ukuri Nchera. Kinyapo be ya share the moment with me.
Na ni ate pa ombe ogwetekia mwanka ukaandika nyama uku Nchera ugatwika mwalimu.
Oni Nchera indakarabo ega sana na administration. Because when I was not teaching, I was either studying. When I was not studying, at night when other people were asleep, I was writing. So when I wrote the first manuscript, ndetere kwa munene ndetanda mwira inkwenda kuandike huku ndamuromba rotha ambira no problem nda bambio mpa support. Support, encouragement. It's a financial support. Ni encouragement. Then karinjwa kinya kwethire nkwenda wita kithea ni editors nkabaita bagetikirwe bakayatukaria abo. Kwethira kuri office nkwenda wita ngetikirwe ngaikwa ngaria nabo ngachoka ringi njera.
Na maukuja kumtu akenda kujagura ina omba kujagura.
Eukurine ndi maukuya otirori in the public domain yonde. Ari ntendere ko yari tandinchera. Ndari ugire kambambe mbume kenda mbumba ya publicize. But you know, I'm also doing it is self-publishing. I'm paying for even the books I've printed with my own money. So that is why it took so long to more than 10 years to publish any of my books. So you can do regular. Go to Kengaya in several bookshops, Meru and Maua, maybe Kianjai.
Na mbecha cia ku print mokutaja na warinchera anto no baulia ina waita mbecha yu
mbecha cia print does support one in my family. I have a wife. My wife is a teacher, mwekura kwa mwalimu. So na support her ndina ana na iya na bako baire bandiki. They also support me and brothers yora tu inoyara. He is also supporting my sister. And, so it is support from the family. Yes.
Ko okumanchera.
Yes.
Anto bakojokeria atia vaya otwanagia abo.
And kumanchera the first thing mantu ya happenire antu bako ba baringiro dimut kubera kaberia kurekwa. So bawire akauma umwankatu mwejere nchera. So they drove all the way, some from Meru, others from Nairobi. Pachamanireu Naivasha pa yabanjukia. Turukinya Nairobi, my daughters bawa mzee atitita Meru. Turendo karanwe, we have missed him for so long. Turendo karanwe as long as we want. So takaran now 2 months. Nabona Nairobi. My wife abio complain about yakidha kai mukuru enu bukuria na unkwenda yanja no ambejera to na Meru. So when I went to Meru nda apply kwa na nguicha IBC cha voter education nda apply tu ya mchezo nkiona yakapatenda nditangu uno ntumbumete nchera but I applied ndandikana ndatuma my documents, my CV chieta ndato interview. So when I went there ukinya ke panel ya interview ndabera woni I'm an ex-prisoner. I'm only 2 months old from prison. Go here there in reason in disqualification, I don't have to sit. I can just go back. They were surprised. Bambira, no, sit down. Bambira, now we can see your CV. I think you'll be the first person to get this job. I was employed. I've been doing that job. The community was so excited. I think I registered more votes than everybody else because people wanted to come and see this ex-prisoner who is doing IBC work.
Na ukomba kuga CV.
Yes.
Dijeke CV kuketha rwandikete nwarinchera.
I have written. Why not? You see, only unta rinchera na untubawa ambaka na untubawa leave. Only I'm even very proud of telling everybody I've been in prison. My CV has that. Kinyoka and Koretra, you will see what I did in prison. I've written it clearly. Yes. Me, I have no problem with telling the world that I was in prison. Na prison has built me.
Tokeria bwana kaberia ke ntukembethe ni ateomba kubera.
Ntukembethe the youth kan kubera kabisa, they should never attempt to be criminals. Mantu ya uhalifu wawachane nayo. Afadhali mtu afanye kazi ya 100 kwa siku aridhike na hiyo. Because crime does not pay. It will either lead to sufferdom, you go to prison for many years and you suffer there. You see, it will waste your time. It will also antagonize you with the community, even your people. Because crime, what crime does is that in a break relationships, in a break relationship with the victim, relationship with the community, with your own people and everybody else, even the government. So you are left alone. Crime is never good. It is better to do nothing, to sit there and even beg than to commit a crime. That is what I can tell the youth.
Ibwega Bwana Kaberi kwenye studio na chetu.
Thank you very much.
Na mbuga inyanu icheva ya batuandikaira message tobatumira mbecha.
Well, I've heard of them, but I've never been near to them. The way I stayed in prison, I stayed in a very, 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 very moderate way.
Ibwega Bwana Kaberi kwenye?
Yes.